Good morning everyone and welcome to this video. We arrived about an hour ago here in Boston, and the reason why we're here is because we are taking a weekend class, and I'm gonna talk a little bit more about this later, about collecting credits and what you can do, what your options are. But now I gotta wake up first. We're now gonna go and have dinner at Whole Foods with our class, and we talked a little bit about politics and history and this kind of stuff. So we're done with the holiday and rituals now, and we're just having like a 15-minute break, and after that we're gonna talk about history. Fun. That's gonna be fun. And then we're finally off and we can go sleep. So it's 10 and we're back at we're at our Airbnb to be back at the college tomorrow at 9. So good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning! We got ready for our second day of classes. It's a very small and easy breakfast today. And then we're gonna head to class. So the first part of the day is done. We had a USA Jeopardy, and now we're gonna go to the Bunker Hill Monument. So the Bunker Hill Monument is there. So that's where we're gonna go next. So we need to fill out, answer some questions about the Battle of Bunker Hill. Working our way through this list. We're at point 19. We took 19 photos yet, so we have like I don't know, 7 more to go. More than 7. 8! We have 8 more to go. It's exhausting. It's 6 o'clock. We're done, but we're gonna finish this. So we're back at our Airbnb now, and as you can see, totally ready for bed. Yeah, so now we're super tired and exhausted. Good morning, it's our last day of class in Boston already. And today we're going to Harvard University. That's the kind of group I chose to do. So yeah, we're getting a little tour and we're going to museums and we're having lunch there and everything. So it sounds kind of cool, and I think it's nice that I get to see this too. So I want to tell you a little bit about the credits that I'm getting from this. So this kind of 3-day weekend class gives you 3 credits, or rather, if you do all the pre and post assignments, you can get up to 3 credits for this course. But there are other ways to get your credits. Taking a weekend class like this is just a very nice and fun way to get your credits, but I'm going to talk about another way to get them, or other ways to get them, in the end of this video, so stay tuned. And now you're going to see a little bit more of Harvard. So we're done with lunch now, and now our challenge is to explore the Harvard Cambridge area a little more. We're running around a little bit and there's a fair going on, and also we want to go to a store. Basically all we did in Boston, and now you're gonna see a few examples of how you can get the required amount of credits.
I needed 6 credit points, or 8 CUS, for my visa, so I did 3 weekend classes. One of them we went to the Niagara Falls for a weekend, to the Canadian side as well as the American side. The other one I went to Washington DC for 1 day, and the third one I went to New York City for 1 day as well.
I took an English as a second language class at the community college close to me. It lasted 3 months and it was about, I think, 72 hours. That's how I got all of my 6 credits.
I had to collect 12 credits altogether. 3 of those I got in the weekend class, in this Boston class you just saw. Then I got 3 more in a DC travel class that I did. And then I did 2 Spanish classes at a local community college for 3 credits each. So here you had some of the options that you have for collecting all of the credits. Obviously, it's endless. You could do so much and everyone could do it whatever way they want, and there are many fun ways to get to the required amount. So I hope this might have been an inspiration for anyone who doesn't know how to get the credits, or whoever is still confused about how to collect your credits, because it can be confusing, I know that. Maybe I was able to clarify things just a little bit more for you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!